You guys, there's sun. Look at this. Oh, I haven't seen sun in days. Like, that's not even exaggerating. I think it's been days. So excited. Sorry, again, for, just being in the bathroom, but that's where I noticed the sun coming out. I just finished my makeup for the day. I used I don't know why I can't talk. All of the shadows I used are from the Morphe 35K palette. I personally think it's like the best one that they've made, especially for this time of year. I also have I think it's like 35W, like the warm palette. I'm almost positive that's what it is. I have that one as well. And that one's really, really great too. But I just love the 35K for like fall, winter time because it's like a bunch of cool tone shadows and there's highlights and crease colors and dark cranberry colors and blacks and blues and oh, it's just really, really pretty. And people who have blue eyes, like all of those colors are like such good contrast. Oh, I think they're so pretty. But anyways, happy Wednesday. There is sun. It's gonna be a good day. So it's raining now. I was all excited. I started the vlog this morning and I was like, it's sunny, and I showed the sun and everything.
And no.
Joke's on me. Throughout the day, the clouds just crept in and now it's just like it was yesterday. See how the dishwasher works?
Yeah.
It's something we could do. We are going to IKEA, Zach's favorite place in the entire world. It's also where we got, can you even see him? Oh, he's not over there. Where, oh yeah, just on the other side. We got a little plant friend. I'm not allowed to buy plants from IKEA anymore though, because they struggles too much. But we're going to go get me a makeup desk. I'm really excited, but that's okay. I just really like going to IKEA though.
Do we need to measure anything before we go, so we're not oh my god, this would be perfect for this spot. But no, we don't know the dimensions.
Yeah, props.
So what do you need to measure?
How fat that room is.
What room?
The guest bedroom. That's where I want to put it.
Okay.
Also, Zach fixed the garage. There's no more, not the garage, but the roof. There's no more leak.
Our garage door's broken now.
Why is our garage door broken?
One of the hinges that keeps the panels together snapped. I don't know when that happened, but it still works. It just needs to be
Not exactly how we want it to work though.
So this is conveniently laying in our house.
That's been here since last week.
I think she's trying to tell me something.
Well, I'm sorry, but when the drawers don't open properly and it's wood on wood. Oh, you started the dishwasher.
Scare you a little bit?
Kinda. It needs to be fixed.
And there's our love seat in the kitchen.
And all of the paint. I think the paint is what's stressing me out in the kitchen. If that's not on the floor in there, it would look a lot more organized. We're at IKEA. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go. Oh man, I can't get out.
What do you mean?
Makeup desk, here I come.
Somebody can't steer.
It's not my fault. It's heavy. I cannot help it.
What?
I want these. These would be so cute. Oh, you buy you can pick whatever tops you want. Look
Mm-hmm.
Are you serious right now? Freak me out. So Zach has been very busy doing things. Oh my gosh! Look at the kitchen. It's functional, people. Okay, and downstairs too.
Actually looks like we have a basement.
What?
Actually looks like we have a basement.
It actually looks like we have a basement. Oh my gosh. Look at the couches down here. It looks so good, Tudor.
There's boxes everywhere, but
Well, that's okay.
that's all we can do tonight.
It looks so good. Thank you.
I'm sweating.
I want to make my shelf, my desk.
Okay. What do you need?
I don't know. I have to look at the IKEA instructions. I am so excited right now. It's like a real house. We're almost done. The shelves are all done. And now we're just putting the legs onto the table, or the tabletop. It's all done, you guys. Look. I need to get a mirror, but I feel like an actual makeup obsessed person now that I have a full desk. I've never ever had a vanity before. So excited! And I'm sure Zach's excited that my makeup and my brushes won't be all over the bathroom now.